How to stop Windows update in Windows 11. If you are looking for ways to disable the automatic updates you often experience in your Windows application, this video is for you. As you can see, my Windows is currently up to date, but this will automatically update itself again, and if I try to pause it, it will still happen anyway. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to disable it permanently. So make sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. First, I'm going to locate my taskbar and make sure to right click on it. Among the list of options here, continue to click on run. So this will open the command prompt. Then you can enter where you want to head to. Make sure to type services.msc. Then with this, continue to click on OK. So this will pull out the list of all the services updates and the software programs that you have on your Windows applications. In this case, we're going to locate our Windows update. To make a quick search, you can just type something like W. You can scroll down and then locate your Windows update, which is somewhere located here. After we locate this, we're going to right click on it, then continue to click on properties. Then with this selected, we're going to make sure this startup type is disabled. By doing that, we're going to click on disable, then continue to click on apply, then make sure to select on OK. And that's it. Your Windows 11 will not be giving you an automatic update on the background anytime you are connected to internet. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.